Hey guys, today we are making one of my favorite desserts right now. It is a cinnamon crumb coffee cake with a cream cheese layer. It's so delicious and super easy to make, so let me show you how to do it. In a small bowl, you want to add in your flour, your brown sugar, and your cinnamon, and you want to use a fork to mix this together before adding in your melted butter. And you're going to use your fork to mix this together until it forms some crumbs, and this is going to be our streusel for our coffee cake. And we're going to set it aside in the fridge before we need to use it again. For our dry mix, we're going to be using flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt, and you're going to whisk this together until it's incorporated. Moving on to our ingredients, you're going to do your softened butter and your sugar. You're going to cream this together for around 2 to 3 minutes until it becomes light and fluffy. Next, you want to add in your vanilla extract and your eggs, and again mix this together until combined. Next, you want to scrape down the sides of your bowl before adding in your sour cream, and this is really going to add that moistness to our cake. Next, you're going to add in your flour mixture, partially mix that in, and then add in your 2 tablespoons of milk to this. And this will be a thick batter, but it's supposed to be like that. Trust me, it's very good. Again, scrape down the sides of the bowl one last time. And next, we're just going to make our cream cheese mixture, which is literally just softened cream cheese and sugar. And if you love cream cheese and you want more of that flavor, you can definitely double this. I ended up making this again, and that's what I ended up doing. So I did 2 blocks of cream cheese, and then I just added a little bit more sugar, and it's literally the same concept. But that's only if you want a little bit extra of that cream cheese flavor to come in, or you can even do a cream cheese glaze to go on top of this. Once you have your cream cheese layered down, you want to add in all of your streusel. You can even add half of the streusel in between the layers, but I just decided to do everything on top. You want to bake this at 350 for around 30 to 40 minutes, and this is what it will look like when it's done. Absolutely delicious. And if you're not sure how to tell if it's done, the old toothpick trick will never show you wrong. That's how I tested mine, and it turned out perfect. So this is what it looks like on the inside. It was so moist and tender. This is definitely one of the best coffee cakes that I've ever had. I ended up bringing some to work with me, and everyone loved it. So I highly recommend it. If y'all try it out, let me know in the comments how it went, and I'll see y'all soon with another video. Bye guys.